everybody and welcome to another day of my little 1 week 1 palette series with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So to start with, I'm going to use the OWOP Beauty Crease Blend Brush and the colour Peaches and Cream, this one in the corner down here. I'm just going to basically put that all over the eyelid just for a base and for a blending transition colour basically. So I'm starting with the outer corner and I'm blending it all the way over the lid. It's a very nice, very natural looking base colour which I really love as a transition shade, and just to have a nice base for all the other colours which are going to come. Okay, and the next colour I'm going to use with the Suiva 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush, and I'm going to use this colour down here, Puree. It's a very nice like brownish colour. I'm going to use that one in my crease outer corner and all the way in the crease and up towards the eyebrow. And I'm going to use the OWOP Beauty Crease Blender Brush again and just buff it in a little bit and blend it out. Trying to create a round shape up here. And then to blend it out, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Ponytail Brush, and I'm going to blend it out a lot so that it's very nice and soft. Definitely mostly up here, that we have a very nice transition towards the brow up here. Now onto a little bit of a darker shade to darken it up a little bit and to have a little more of depth to it. I'm going to use the colour Charmed, I'm Sure, which is this one up here in the corner. And I'm going to use the OWOP Beauty Blender Brush, which is a very nice, soft and a little bit longer bristled blending brush. And I'm not going to use too much, so make sure that you don't have too much of the pigment on your brush because the colour is quite pigmented. And I don't want it to be too much up there, just for a little bit, just another dimension to deepen up the whole upper lid a little bit. So I'm just going to put that in the crease in the outer corner. Also mixing in a little bit of the other brown shade I just used, which was called Puree or Puree. And I'm just going to just mix it a little bit together, so that's that warm colour we had before, just a little bit darker. Again, blending everything a little bit with the Laura Mercier Ponytail Brush. I just want it to be very soft and very well blended together. Now I'm going to take the teeny tiniest little bit of the colour Luscious. This colour up here, however you want to pronounce the name. It's a very nice champagne-y shimmer, and I just want a teeny tiniest little bit on my lid. Be very careful with this colour because it's very highly pigmented, and I really just want a hint of it. You can see I used the teeny tiniest bit of it, and it's really intense. And the upper lid is already done. Now on to the lower lash line, and I'm going to use Bless Her Heart, which is a lovely green colour up here, which I already used in my last look, and it's such a lovely bright green colour. I'm going to use the MAC 212 brush and Bless Her Heart, and I'm going to put that all the way on my lower lash line. You can see that it has a very nice golden sparkle. It's a little bit sad because the green itself does not show up too much. I always have the feeling that it's more looking like a greyish brownish shade and not necessarily like bright green. So if you recreate this look and you have a brighter green shadow maybe, this would look very nice. I blended a little bit, a tiny bit out here, not too much, just a bit. Kind of hope that you can see it in real life, it's very pretty. And you have this lovely golden sparkle which is a great connection to the silver coppery, the champagne shimmer on top. Now I'm going to blend it all the way to the inner corner and up to the upper lash line, just only in the inner corners. Okay, and now I'm using the champagne shimmer, the Lucious or however you want to call it, and blend it a little bit on top to make it a little bit brighter. Also, if you have a brighter green, then that would look even nicer. Hope that you can see properly because it's so bright. I hope that you can see it properly. It's such a nice and such an intense look, I think, with a very bright upper lid and darkened up lower lash line. And because it's so bright, I don't know why it's that bright. And that's already everything done for this eyeshadow look. It's very quick, very easy. You can build it up very easily, make it more dramatic, or use less to make it a little bit more wearable. I did wear this how it is now to work already, and it just looked fine and it was wonderful. Now you can of course add very easily a eyeliner, whatever you want to. I'm not going to. I'm going to stay with mascara and some false eyelashes, and I'm going to use the OWOP Beauty The Naturals Stack. I already filmed a video about, which I will leave down below if you did not see it already. And I'm going to use this pair up here, which is called The Girl Next Door. And maybe I can put them on a little bit prettier than the last time I did. And I'm going to use the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive White Clear Lash Glue thingy. But first I have to check if they are maybe too long for my eyes. I actually think the length is okay. I'm going to put that on and come back to you as soon as it's done. Okay, and now the lashes are on. Honestly, applying false eyelashes is definitely one of the hardest things to learn. I mean, of course you have to get used to it and do it more often, but for me, to combine these, which are very lovely. I love these, they're very natural and like hardly even visible. Now I'm only going to use a little bit of mascara to kind of combine it and to make it more like one lash. And I'm going to use the Tanya Burr Cosmetics Selfie Lash Mascara. It just gives you the loveliest, very natural look to the lashes and nothing too much. And I just want them to be nicely combined, nothing too big. I just love this mascara in combination with false eyelashes. It just gives the nicest look. It's definitely my favorite. I'm wearing falsies. I need a little bit of mascara. Also applying it to my lower lashes. And then you are already done. Really love this eye look. It's so quick and easy to make. Really love these lashes. They are so natural and so pretty. And now the only thing missing is a lipstick. I think I'm going to go for a nude, maybe a brownish nude, and therefore I'm going to use one of my amazing Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. This is in the color Very Victoria, which is a lovely brownish nude color, and I think that will suit the eye look very nicely. And that's it. That's the look for today already done. So quick and easy to make, but such an intense look, but also very wearable. I hope that you know what I mean. Of course you can all the time change the green color with any other color, make it more intense by wearing, I don't know, a pink or just some other color, because with the neutral tones on the palette, it's very easy to combine any color you'd like. It's just a very nice and lovely look, and I think also very wearable for spring because of the nice pop of green, which is just the color which defines spring for me personally. So yes, this is my look for today done. I hope that you like it. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below what you think about it and if you recreated it. All the pictures, I want to see them. Link me in your social media. All my links are down below, so you will easily find me wherever you want to link me in your pictures in. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss all the other videos of this little series, and it would make me so happy if you would. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!